Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how to do a perfect push-up and common mistakes to avoid, as well as how to fix them. A perfect push-up not only strengthens your chest, but also helps improve your posture. So, let's dive in. First, let's talk about common mistakes. 1. Wrong form. If you grip the pull-up bar too wide, you'll bend your elbows and reduce the effective range of your motion. To fix this, make sure to grip the bar tightly, with your palms facing each other and your elbows aligned with your shoulders. 2. Too much body weight. If you use your body weight instead of using your arms to support your body, you'll be doing a push-up instead of a push-up. To fix this, use your arms to lift your body, keeping your core engaged. 3. Lower chest. If you focus on your lower chest rather than your upper chest, you'll be targeting the wrong area. To fix this, keep your focus on your upper chest and avoid shrugging or drooping your shoulders. Now, let's discuss how to fix the same mistakes. 1. Wrong form. To fix the wrong grip, make sure to grip the pull-up bar tightly and maintain a straight body line as you lift. 2. Too much body weight. To fix using your body weight, use your arms to lift your body instead of relying on your legs. 3. Lower chest. To fix focusing on the lower chest, keep your focus on your upper chest and avoid shrugging or drooping your shoulders. To sum up, committing to these fixes will help you get the perfect push-up and improve your overall fitness. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to practice regularly to see results. Happy push-ups! If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel for more tips. Thank you for watching.